Members of the Fourth Estate, I'm Moses Irianga Onkenke, the Branch Secretary, Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives. We want to say thank you to the Kisii County Government through our DG for the engagement that we had since yesterday up to today. Today we have reached an agreement and we hope that what we have agreed is going to be implemented. So as a Branch Secretary, I declare now that the strike is called off so that our members to resume work immediately as we engage other mothers, because the government has shown a goodwill and we want to engage. So the Deputy Governor, we appreciate your time and we would like to engage more, and this is the spirit we want. Once we have called a strike, let us engage as soon as possible before it kicks off. So thank you, members. We wish all the public that as from tomorrow to come and get services in our public hospital, and we are sorry for what happened. It's normal in terms of labor. Thank you.